you guys. Today we are gonna be fixing this alarm clock who have this issue. The alarm clock is not ringing. Means the DC motor is somewhere around. I have to do this. Let me show you how it's fixed. First, turn off the alarm, the DC motor. This is the switch for the DC motor. Show you. Just open it. See what's the problem. Guys, we found the issue. Look at the DC motor. Look at it, how it is. What the? Why is it like this? Oh, let me just fix it real quick. Where is it? Where is it? And there. There. When am I fixing it? It have this. What the? What is this? Oh, it's just for the. It's like this. And put the screw back on. Maybe it didn't tight. They didn't tighten the screw. Wait guys, let me just fix it real quick. This is the problem. This screw came loose and the DC motor became just in here doing that. Let me just fix it. Okay guys, and let's just put it back on. Should be like let me put the DC motor back. The alarm clock. Okay. Now it's in. Okay guys, let's see if it's working. Oh yeah, it's working perfectly fine. This is having a light too. Look. This light is for night. And guys, this is all of the video, and hope you can fix this alarm clock. Bye bye.